Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shamar from Tam Tech, and today I'm back with another review video. And today we're going to be taking a look at the iTOMA clock. Now, this is just not any regular clock. This thing has a dimmer. These are some of the features, by the way. A dimmer, auto time and date setting, alarm volume control, aux in, Bluetooth, FM radio, dual alarm, snooze, and a USB charging port. So that's something new for your standard alarm clock. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we get in the box. Okay, so first off, we get a user manual. This is the power cord, and then the clock itself has some plastic over it. It's one piece, and does have some more at the top. Take that off. Anymore. Alright guys, so I guess I'll start by actually going through the buttons on it and the ports. First of all, this right here is the antenna, and then what you get on is you get the volume buttons, a time, week. So these are buttons you use to set the time and maybe set the week, time zone, also the sleep button, store, alarm 1 in memory, also the alarm 2, and then you got a tune button for radio stations, and then you have over here the source button to change in between modes, between Bluetooth mode, aux mode, radio mode, and also the power button over here. And right here you got the snooze button, and then there's a dimmer. I think that just changes the brightness of the LED display. And you have a play pause button. On the side here are the speakers, and on the other side there is a speaker. On the bottom there's nothing on the bottom but some pads, and I'm pretty sure, oh yeah, these are the screws in here, obviously. And then on the back you get a aux in port, power port, and a charging USB, just in case you had, maybe you wanted to charge your phone, and could also use this as a Bluetooth speaker, and charge your phone at the same time. So this is a plus. Alright, so I think I went through everything, so we're going to go ahead and get this plugged up, and I'll be back in a sec. Alright guys, so now I'm not going to go over the features because I'm pretty sure you all know how to work a clock. You know how to set the time, and if you don't, then that's what the manual is for. So I'm just going to show you the Bluetooth feature. That's not the right time. The Bluetooth feature, and I guess the radio. So I'm just going to show you basically sound. Just the sound function, and show you that I'm gonna hook my phone into the back of this, and to show you that it charges. So I'm gonna start with the Bluetooth feature first. So let me go ahead and pull. I'll go to my Bluetooth. Also guys, I forgot to mention something in the back here. I'll turn this around. This right here, this is the backup battery compartment. So I guess this could stay unplugged for a certain length of time, just in case the power goes out or something. Alright guys, so it says to connect the Bluetooth, turn on the power. And that is the radio. So we are going to go to press source at the top, and once you press source and you see BT, it's supposed to say BT, it automatically starts searching. So have your Bluetooth on your device. Make sure you have your Bluetooth on your device, and it will automatically start searching. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Now we're supposed to be looking for CKS 3501BT, and I think that is it right there. So we're going to connect. Couldn't connect, make sure the device is turned on. Alright guys, so I finally got the clock connected. So I'm going to click done. I'm just going to go in and play some sample audio. Not sample audio. Some non-copyrighted stuff from NCP, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna go to, okay, not that one. Let's go to here. Alright, so I'm gonna play just some non-copyrighted music. See how loud it goes. Okay, where the volume button. Okay. Okay, so highest it goes is to 30. And I don't even have it but halfway on my phone. So it's already loud. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Let's stare, yeah, take it slow. Okay, so speaker is definitely loud. Speaker's decent. It's loud. It's clear. It's good. So I'm not going to compare this to a just a sole Bluetooth speaker because this is a alarm clock first or clock first. The Bluetooth speaker were just built in, so the speaker is good, sounds good, it's clear. So that's just a nice added in feature for this clock. Okay, so radio. I guess I could show you the radio. So I'm gonna click source. It's aux radio. See if I can go to something.
Then pass it on, because you never know. Fantastic together. K-Lake 97.7.
Alright, so I think you get it. This clock is pretty loud. Speaker part of it is pretty loud. So this is absolutely a good clock. Oh, sorry. Let me show you the charge feature to show you that it charges. So give me a second to grab a cable. Alright guys, so I'm going to plug the cable in the back. cable in the back. I'm gonna plug into my phone, and we are going to see if it is going to charge. Wrong way. Let's see. Alright, so I don't know if you guys heard that or not, and you can see the battery up there. So it is charging. So it is charging my phone. So that's a plus. So it's a Bluetooth speaker, and you constantly have this plugged up. And now that you can charge your phone with this, which is pretty cool. So you can charge your phone and listen to music at the same time. So that is pretty great. So I think I've covered like the most important just things that people want to hear. Nice clock, like the look, especially I love the Bluetooth speaker and the fact that I can charge my phone with this as well. So I would definitely recommend this, and thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and thank you.
Best. Line up all your bad liners and tell on time up to my time up.